Hello children, what do you see in my two hands? Two A4 size papers, right? And these are very crispy. Yes, it should not be wrinkled. With these two A4 size papers, we are going to see how the air moves from the high pressure area to the low pressure area. In whichever place the air becomes hot, it rises up. Then what will happen? There the partial vacuum will be formed, but it does not remain so. Right? Immediately the air from the sides come in and take its position, take its place of the air that has risen up. So also we are going to create here a partial vacuum. These two papers, if I blow air from the middle, these two papers will come close to each other or will they go away from each other? Let us see, right? There is air over here, there is air over here, and there is air over here also. But what I am doing is that I am blowing in the middle part. See what happens? Surprises. The two papers are actually coming close to each other, isn't it? Why? Because when I blow air from the middle, there it is created a partial vacuum and there is more air on the sides where it has got high pressure. So from there, the high pressure area, air will move into low pressure area. That makes this both the paper come close to each other. Again we go here. Right children? So you have learned today the air moves from the high pressure area to the low pressure area. Bye for now.